Want a delicious, easy, and lower calorie cheesecake without compromising taste? If so, I have what you're looking for. In this video, I'm sharing my simple and easy cheesecake that only uses 7 simple ingredients, and it's only 75 calories for the crustless option or 105 calories per cheesecake with the cookie crust. Each cheesecake also has 4 grams of protein. This cheesecake is soft, tastes indulgent, and of course is cheesy. For healthy recipes and science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrienne. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years, and I've been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. This easy and creamy cheesecake recipe tastes amazing. I use lower fat cream cheese and yogurt to give it a creamy texture. Don't worry, even with the lower fat cream cheese, it's still very creamy. You can make this cheesecake with the cookie crust or without it. The cookie base adds 30 calories but gives the cheesecake a soft crust, which we're used to eating. I use Maria cookies for the base. They don't fit exactly 100% into the muffin tin as they're slightly larger than the bottoms of the muffin tins, but it still works and does not affect the final cheesecake. Each individual cheesecake is 75 calories without the crust or 105 calories with the cookie crust. There's also 4 grams of protein per cheesecake. The protein from the cheesecake is coming from the egg white and the high protein, but definitely not zero fat vanilla yogurt. If you know me, I never eat zero fat of any food or tell my weight loss clients to either, because zero fat foods do not taste good and some fat helps you stay full and satisfied. Let's get started. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about my simple and tasty cheesecake recipe. For easy and delicious weight loss recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes. Go to adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video to get my recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.